Get ready for a thrilling exploration into the world of modern farming. Groundbreaking agricultural tools have emerged, transforming more than just the fields. They are forging a new era of sustainable agriculture. But hold on! Before we dig into this adventure with Hyper TV and discover 160 modern machines, make sure you've hit that subscribe button and liked this video. Now, let's plow ahead into the fascinating universe of farming innovations that are redefining our world. We now cross over to a field in the Netherlands, where the Grim Rixor 930, a self-propelled beet harvester, is hard at work. Crafted by Grim, a specialist in agricultural equipment, the Rixor 930 is capable of harvesting 9 rows at once, enhancing yield and harvest efficiency. Additionally, the RU4000, a heavy-duty beet transporter, works in perfect sync with the Grim Rixor 930, transporting a sizable load of sugar beets from the harvester. The synergy between the Grim Rixor 930 and RU4000 paints a picture of agricultural efficiency, saving labor while maximizing output. Now, let's uncover the magic behind onion harvesting with the hilarious Union Lufmeyer Union Royer 225 Front Combi. This tool, attached to the front of a machine, uses a blade to pick up onions from the ground, significantly increasing the speed and efficiency of onion harvesting. Cherry farmers, rejoice! The intelligent shaking machine is here to make harvesting faster and more efficient. It hugs the tree trunk, shakes the cherries firmly into a box, and they fall right onto a conveyor. Simple, time-saving, and highly effective, a brilliant addition to modern farming. Meanwhile, atop a hill, another titan takes the spotlight. This monstrous tractor, and I say monstrous for a reason, digs planting holes with raw power. Look at those 4 wheels, all chained and driven by forceful engines. Are you seeing this? It's the brute strength of agriculture unveiled. Next, we turn our eyes skyward to the Scorpion 3, an innovative creation from Russia's Hover Surf. Designed with 4 fan blades, this impressive device can ascend to a height of 10 meters and reach speeds up to 50 kilometers per hour. However, flight time is limited to approximately 20 minutes before requiring a recharge. Piloting the Scorpion 3, either manually or via a smartphone app through Bluetooth, is a challenge that calls for experienced hands for ensuring safety. If you find our content intriguing, we encourage you to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. This way, you'll never miss our insightful videos on this topic. Meet the Case 9370 tractor, a beast of a machine engineered explicitly for the agricultural industry. Its sheer power is a sight to behold, and it's only one of the incredible tools revolutionizing farming today. Step into Mr. Seblon's hamburger pastry shop, where the sponge cake machine works its magic. With just flour and spices as inputs, this machine expertly mixes the ingredients and pumps them into preset molds. The result is a delicious cake, flipped at the perfect moment, which many customers claim to be better than homemade. Our journey continues in the verdant fields of spinach, where the Automac New Herbex 9200 reigns supreme. Farmers trust this machine for its unmatched capability to harvest up to 6 rows of greens in one go. Its sharp blades, coupled with a vibrating mechanism, ensure a seamless, precise cut every time. But it doesn't stop there. This machine is a complete package, offering a built-in truck to contain and package the harvested greens. Now, if you've ever dreamt of stepping into the shoes of a modern, tech-savvy farmer, you've come to the right place. Hyper TV offers you a chance to experience the diverse agricultural landscapes across the globe. So, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Next, we spotlight the Seismic 6000 TS, an automatic slabber that redefines grass cutting. It's a marvel that dissects grass into smaller pieces, tailored to the user's preference. The conveyor system assists in reshaping the grass into desired sizes, while the cooling system ensures the blade's sharpness and efficiency, promising fast and precise cutting. Now, fast forward to 2023, and welcome the Nexap product line from Germany, featuring the most modern lawnmower known to mankind. With a machine length of 30 meters and spray arms that can stretch an astonishing 56 meters, taking care of lush green fields has never been more accessible or spectacular. But beware, operating this machine requires expertise and experience. It's not just a device, it's a statement. Once creating murals required skillful hands. Today, engineered machines have risen to the task. Upon receiving image data, these machines craft programs that guide them along the y-axis, moving left to right and spraying precise colors to recreate the image. The result is a stunning mural bearing an astonishing 99% similarity to the original image. Meet the Amazon EDX 6000T. See an automatic seed drill and fertilizer spreader that left me in awe of technological progression. With precision operations enhancing agricultural efficiency, this machine can cooperate with a range of tractors, including New Holland's TA 360T, 7270 Auto Command, and TG 285. By automating the seeding and fertilizing process, it promotes cost-effectiveness in agriculture. As the morning mist lingers, witness the Kubota M72 tractor preparing the soil for the next season's crop. Armed with a 6-cylinder diesel engine, 6.1-liter displacement, and a mighty 170 horsepower, it's a force to reckon with. The tractor's plow blades and integrated soil pulverizers enable swift tilling in just one pass. Step into Mr. Seblon's hamburger pastry shop, where the sponge cake machine works its magic. With just flour and spices as inputs, this machine expertly mixes the ingredients and pumps them into preset molds. The result is a delicious cake, flipped at the perfect moment, which many customers claim to be better than homemade. Say hello to the Hampman PCHA specialist in sausage making. This machine can create and package various types of sausages with adjustable sizes and weights, ensuring a tight clamp to prevent breakage or separation during transportation. Finally, the packages are hung, ready for preservation and transport. Ever wondered where your wine originates? Picture a clear morning in Australia's Griffith region, where diligent farmers operate the mystery grape harvester machines. Serving some of the largest wineries in the Southern Hemisphere, these machines underscore the rich winemaking tradition of the region. Meet the Clay's Jaguar 990 TT, an exceptional harvester of grass and other crops. Driven by a 24-liter MAN V12 diesel engine, it boasts a horsepower of up to 925. Harvesting vast fields of corn, grass, and other crops becomes a walk in the park with this machine, which can handle hundreds of tons of hay per hour. Clearing large stumps used to be a back-breaking task, but not anymore. Special machines, armed with strong, fast-rotating saw teeth, transform these stumps into sawdust, making cleanup a breeze. Next, consider a monumental achievement in Russia, where a pesticide sprayer has been invented that can cover thousands of square meters of sunflowers in just 3 hours. By flying in a zigzag pattern, this programmed aircraft ensures that no spot is left untreated. Welcome to Sweden, a leading industrial nation, home to the DeWolf GVC carrot harvester, operated in conjunction with the John Deere 5820 tractor. With delicate precision, it harvests carrots, placing them on a screening conveyor to separate soil, leaves, and roots. The roots are then collected and transported on a conveyor belt to a storage bin. Imagine the simplicity such technology brings to the entire process. Now, as we journey to India, a country of nearly 1.4 billion people experiencing rapid economic development, we observe a soaring demand for bricks. This has given rise to the BMM 300, an exceptional machine capable of producing millions of bricks daily. It's equipped with mold-carrying wheels that streamline the brick-making process by keeping the bricks in the location of production, eliminating the need for additional relocation. Picture a serene ranch. Cattle graze. But what's that strange machine? It's a specially designed cattle rake, a testament to the love and care given to our livestock. This machine does more than just look quirky. It soothes the itching of our animals, gently scratching their hides to provide relief from pesky insects. Now, let's enter the future with the home robot HeroBot. Attached to the Buser rotary hull plantation cultivator, this automatic tiller is like a farmer's best friend, ordinary, turning agriculture. It's not just tilling, digging, or preparing the soil for sowing. It's doing it with the intelligence and efficiency of modern robotics. As we conclude this journey of exploring popular and smart agricultural machines, we want to express our gratitude for your interest and support. These machines, with their impressive strength and effectiveness, have revolutionized agricultural productivity. If you've enjoyed this content, we'd love it if you could like and subscribe to the channel for more intriguing videos.